For number 8, they've told us the endpoints of one of the diameters of our circle. So this question is slightly different just with the numbers from what you saw in your quiz, but the main idea is exactly the same. So here, we're looking for the center, radius, and equation of a circle that has its diameter with endpoints at -2, 6 and -2, 0. So if that's a diameter of the circle, my circle looks something like this. It does not have to be a good drawing at all, but just to get an idea of what's happening. I know that the center of my circle needs to be right in the middle of that diameter, and so just from looking at the graph, I can see that that center is at the point -2, 3. I can also see that my diameter in orange was 6 units tall, which means my radius is 3 units. And from there, the equation is ready to go. So I have a basic setup for the standard form equation of a circle with an x and a y, and the radius will go there. From my center, I see a -2 for the x, so I have an x plus 2 in my equation, +3 for the y, so a y minus 3 in my equation, and my radius was 3. So the end of my equation, the right-hand side, is a 3 squared, which of course is 9. So my standard form equation here could be written as x plus 2 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared equals 9.